More overripe bananas and no desire to make banana bread. It's a great time to try out this vacuum sealer machine that I received for a review. This is a nice compact sealer machine that is powerful enough to seal 30 bags continuously in about 15 minutes. This is excellent for people who buy in bulk. It also includes this little attachment for an external vacuum system. One of my favorite parts here to peel off this little protective layer. We decided to break up the overripe bananas into pieces so we could seal them and then freeze them later for smoothies. You just add whatever food you want into the BPA-free little vacuum bags, and they include 10 of them, and then you insert the bag this way. You do not put it up and over like that. That is not the way to do it. You have to make sure the bag is kind of pushed over and into the little groove there. Then another important thing to know is that you have to push down and wait until you hear the clicks. And then you choose, we chose moist here, but you could choose dry, moist, or liquid. And then you just hit vacuum and seal. You can see right away it starts sucking all the air out, and then it just seals it tightly. It works so quickly, and then you just have this nice little compact bag of whatever you want to store. I'm really excited about all the space this is going to save in my fridge and freezer. And of course, to not feel guilty when fruit gets overripe, because you can just do this. The vacuum sealer itself is also small enough that I don't have to stress over storage either.